Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn how to convert a list to array in Java. Let's start. Let's open the terminal and type jshell. Good. And now let's create our list. I'm going to create a list of string, a list of city, and I'm going to use the arrays.asList method in order to create this list. I'm going to put three different cities: London, Rome, and Amsterdam. Good, I have my list of cities, and now I'm going to convert this list to an array. Of course, I need to declare the array. I'm going to type, for example, cities array, and then I'm going to use the method toArray in order to convert this list of city inside an array. Very well. Now I have my array of city. Of course, I can type city array and then the element 0, for example. I'm going to have London and element 2 Amsterdam, and I'm going to do the same for the list cities.get0. I'm going to retrieve London and of course 2 Amsterdam. Very good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you want, and if you have any questions or doubts, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can find me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram, and see you in the next video. Bye.